make jerk spatchcock chicken using DivineKuizine's jerk sauce and DivineKuizine's jerk seasoning. So let's go ahead and make this. Okay y'all, so we're getting ready to do this jerk chicken. So I have spatchcock the chicken. So spatchcock chicken, that's all it means is that you cut the bone, the inside bone out so it can lay flat. So I've already done that, cleaned it, rinsed it, everything like that. And then, you know, cooks a little quicker than like if you did a whole chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and jerk this and season this up. So we have the sazon. Everything that we do on the front, we're gonna go ahead and do on the back as well, so we can get everything nice and seasoned. We have some complete seasoning. Seasoned pepper. Some salt. That was garlic powder, onion powder. And then I'm gonna kind of get some olive oil and I'm gonna rub all these seasonings before we go ahead like with the jerk seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and jerk it. This would be good if you could marinate this for like an hour or overnight and then take it out like 20 or 30 minutes before you're baking it so it can kind of get to room temperature so it's not just cold. I'm gonna take our olive oil again. I'm gonna kind of massage the chicken. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our green seasoning here. We're gonna put that in the cavities. So what you do is I slit the, like where the legs are, I slit them open so we can kind of get some of those seasonings and the green seasoning in there. We're gonna put some in the cavity of this because you wanna season this bird really well. So you're gonna massage it in there, inside and outside. I'm gonna put some DivineKuizine jerk seasoning. So this is another way that you can use one of my products. How this jerk seasoning is authentic, it's hot, it's spicy. It's gonna, you know, give you that more Caribbean flavor. You can use it as a marinade, or you can use this. It's basically more like a seasoning in a marinade, but you also can make your jerk sauces, your jerk gravies with it. So this is another way. It's all natural, fresh ingredients, no artificial flavors or corn syrup or any of that nasty stuff or artificial preservatives. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead in those cavities. I'm gonna put some of this jerk seasoning in those cavities, and we're gonna put it inside the bird. And the more you use, the hotter anything you're cooking with will be. So if you don't like lots of spice, don't do as much. If you like more spice, do more. So we're gonna put in the cavity of the chicken. You're gonna rub off like you're lotioning up yourself, okay? One other thing I forgot to do is just a little bit of cayenne pepper in there as well. We're gonna massage that in. I like spice, so it gives it just a little different flavor. That's optional. And now we're gonna take our butter. You're gonna kind of take little slices like this, maybe 1 inch thick. You're gonna put it in the cap underneath the skin so that butter can keep this chicken juicy. And then we're gonna put some in the breast and leg area, thigh and leg area rather. So now we're gonna put it at the bottom of our pan. We're gonna put some potatoes. And we've preheated our oven at 375. And we're gonna bake this like 25 minutes. It should take about an hour, 45 minutes. And it's always gonna depend on how big your chicken is, how long it takes. But this should take maybe about between 45 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes. So you just have to kind of baste it and keep looking to see on the size, and then also the temperature of your oven, you know, how long it would take. But averagely, it's about 45 minutes to an hour and 15. So now we're gonna get ready to put some carrots down. So I have the carrots, and then I've chopped up these potatoes and carrots about a ½ inch thick. So that's what you wanna do. We have, since we are doing a Caribbean, a jerk chicken, you know we gotta have some colored peppers and onions. So we have some red onions that we're gonna put at the bottom as well. And we have all different kinds of colored peppers. So I have the yellows, the greens, all the colors of the rainbow. So you're gonna put some of those at the bottom as well. And then we're gonna take our chicken, and our marinated chicken, and we're gonna lay that on top of those vegetables. And then we're going to, okay, so this is how it looks. So you got your potatoes, your peppers, your carrots, all on top, and then you put your marinated chicken on it. And then we're just gonna add a couple more things. So we're gonna add some garlic, sprinkle your garlic in here on top, fresh garlic. And then we have some herbs. So we're gonna put our thyme. Thyme always goes good on chicken. So we're gonna do our thyme, and then we're gonna do a little bit of Scotch bonnet on top. So it's jerk sauce, chicken bouillon cubes in water, but you can also use chicken broth and just put a little bit of the jerk sauce in it. And I'm gonna put that at the bottom of this pan. Or you could even, if you didn't have the jerk sauce and you just had the DivineKuizine jerk seasoning, you could always just use that as well. But I did use the jerk sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of this at the bottom, like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our foil on top. We're gonna cover it for like 25 minutes at 375 degrees. Then we're gonna take it off. We're gonna look at it. We may have to baste it or see. So, you know, like I always tell you, cooking is you gotta taste, see, you gotta use all your senses. Taste, see, touch, smell, right? It's hot, but look how pretty it is. I'm excited. So we're gonna go in and have a little taste of this chicken. And like I said before, is that this is good for, like, if you don't like turkey, like this holidays is coming around town, you could do a jerk chicken. And the difference between like a whole chicken and a spatchcock chicken is that you cut the bone out, you leave it flat, and it's supposed to cook evenly, crisp up really, really nice. And then it's just easier to kind of go in and pull it apart for that, to me. And then also, why not do something different, like a little jerk, you know, using the DivineKuizine jerk seasoning and sauce. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm really excited about this for dinner. It's pretty. Let's just go in. You know when I get to smiling, it's good. It's so good, y'all. It's so juicy. Oh my God. It is so juicy. I mean, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna do a praise dance right now to jump up and down. Because, I mean, it is so good. I mean, if you're not gonna do a turkey, go ahead and get this recipe for this jerk chicken recipe that I did for y'all. And then we got the potatoes, we got the peppers, we got all this gravy. I made some coconut rice that I'm gonna put over it. But this is like, let me taste some of the skin. But then it's got, you can taste that tamarind in it. It's moist. It is a damn good piece of chicken, jerk chicken. I'm not even gonna front. It's so good. So to get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. I'm about to go on for another bite and have dinner. Love y'all.